Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. Auxito sent me some LED turn signal bulbs. These are the just regular replacement bulb. They're going to be brighter, they're going to be LED, and they're just replacements. These are not the switchback kind that switch from white to amber, which is an interesting mod, maybe a little more noticeable. I'm not sure. But I'm going to try these out. I'm going to install them today, show you how to do that, and show you the difference. As you can see right here, these are the factory brightness. So we're going to do a comparison, and I want you to see that. To install these, since I have the 6th element intake, I'm going to have to remove that. It is all one piece. It's not in several pieces like the factory one. So that's going to be kind of a pain if you have a 6th element, or maybe Banks is like that. I'm not sure, or K&N. I don't know about that one, but yeah. So it's one piece of molded plastic. So I'm going to have to remove that. That's going to be kind of a pain to get to the bulb. But otherwise, this side's really easy. So let's get started. Thank you. So right under here, your turn signal is right here at the top. So right under here and tucked up underneath, I don't know if you can see it, but this is your turn signal bulb right here. And it's one of those twisty type. You just kind of twist it to the left to get it out. So I don't know if you can see that right there. That's it right there. Other side is exactly the same. There it is right there. See it? And that's what we're going to twist. Yeah, I believe it's to the left. To get it out, it's real easy. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we have the little bulb right here. Just gonna pull that out. Gonna set it up here. I'll put it in this box when I'm done and save it. They're still good. We got this bulb. I'm trying to be somewhat careful not to put my greasy fingers all over it. There we go. These are really nice. There's a little bit of weight to them. You can tell it's really good quality, and the structure seems, the way they make that bulb, it seems to be very substantial. So let me see here. Okay. There we go. Let me hit the flashers now so you can see the difference. Let me see here. I want you to definitely see the difference. Oh yeah, huge difference. Can you see that on the camera? It's a big difference there. Look at that. That looks great. Well worth it. These again are the Auxito turn signal lights. This is the 7443/7440. Is the W21W, is the way it's marked. Amber. This is excellent. Look how bright that is. That's good. That'll get people's attention for sure. Now we need to again, I'll need to remove that intake to install the other one. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to save the old bulbs. Put those in my Toyota Tacoma 4Runner box and just save those. Now this is pretty much the same mod for the Tacoma. They pretty much have the same turn signals. So this mod goes back and forth. So, you know, whichever one, you know, you have. But anyways, so, you know, a lot of the mods you do on the 4Runners and the Tacoma are the same. There's a few that aren't. You know, the suspension's different on the Tacoma. I've noticed the spring rate is stiffer. I'm not sure about the shocks, but the spring rate is definitely stiffer. So it's a rougher ride in the morning when the tires are cold, especially if you have 6-ply tires. If you had 10, it'd be really rough. With 6-ply tires, it is a rougher ride in the morning, meaning you feel more of the road imperfections. That's what I mean. Other than that, it's really not noticeable. Once they warm up, you just don't notice it. The 4Runner is an SUV. It's heavier. It has a softer spring. I'm not sure about the shocks. I probably am going to switch out the rear shocks because when I load this thing up, since it's completely level, it does sag about an inch in the back. So I'm going to take care of that with some new shocks and some airbags. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, besides that, let's get to this. Let's get to what these things look like. There we go. Is that good? That's good. Let me go turn the lights on. Wow. That's a lot brighter. Whew. So let's try it with some turn signals now. Okay, so there we have it. It's the Auxito. The Auxito's turn signal bulb. Now these are just the amber bulbs. These are not switchback. The switchback, I believe, goes amber, white, which is kind of neat. That's kind of a neat thing. But these work great. This is what I was looking for. Auxito was nice enough to send me some of these to install. You tell me what you think in the comments. I think having brighter turn signal bulbs brings your vehicle, makes it more noticeable for safety. People know you're turning. People know you're in the road. If somebody's on their phone, that's not going to matter. But these work great. Anything to make the vehicle more noticeable. Sometimes I just drive around with my headlights on, just because certain days there's more seniors out there, or there's more people door dashing and stuff on their phone that aren't paying attention. So this looks great, and I'm really happy with this mod. I recommend these. Any brighter bulbs you can get. The taillights are pretty bright as they are, but I do have a strobe brake light thing. Now it only strobes the first time you hit the brakes. If you're sitting in traffic, it's not going to do it. But there we go. There's the mod. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll have links below the video in the description. Again, these are the Auxito LED turn signal bulbs for the 6th gen 4Runner, and I believe it's the same one for the 4th gen Tacoma. So check these out. I think they're great. They're great, and hopefully they prevent accidents and make your vehicle more noticeable, so people see you before they run into you. And use your horn. Use your horn. I tell you, most accidents can be prevented if you lay on that horn and let somebody know you're there. That's what I got for you. I got more mods coming. I've got a kind of a resonator delete for this coming up. So stay tuned, subscribe, like the videos. It helps. It helps my videos show up whenever you're on YouTube, and it drives traffic, motivates me, stuff like that. I will see you next time. See ya.